How to create Phantom Wallet in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create Phantom Wallet in mobile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Play Store and make sure to download and install Phantom application on your device. So application look like this. You simply need to tap install and install on your device. Now tap open to get access to the welcome screen of Phantom. You need to make sure to agree to the terms of service. For that, check mark the small circle and tap create a new wallet. Now you will need to set up device authentications like a PIN or biometric lock for extra security. So I'll pause here to set my PIN. Simply toggle the button on, tap and the next button. After you have set your security, you'll be given a security or secret recovery phrase. This is like a password. It is essential for accessing your wallet in case you lose your phone or need to log in on another device. You can copy it and store it safely, such as in a secure notes app or written down in a safe place. Without that phrase, you won't be able to access your wallet or assets. After that, tap on Get Started button at bottom of the screen. Again, you have to authenticate your device, and after that, you can tap on Enable to boost notifications about completed transfers, swipes, and announcements. Once done, tap Allow button again and authenticate your account. After that, you will successfully create the Phantom wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.